April dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it, so keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YDD. Once you get to this profile right here, which is mine, you will have to go to April 2024 at highlights, which is right here. Click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker. I have here many more stickers if you like them. Then you have to click on the add yours button. Then from here you will have to go to your uploads, which are here, to choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place your sticker where you want and also your picture. Then to add another photo, you will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen. Then scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you once again to your gallery and you can choose your second photo. Then you can add it. Then you have to go again right here to this plus icon, add your third photo and so on. As many photos as you want. But I will leave it just like this as an example. So now you will have to share it with your friends once you're happy with it by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post any new videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.